step into the 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are multi-zone AC, CD player, climate control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auxiliary audio input, passenger vanity mirror, and bucket seats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.